minus 5 equals negative 4. So that's going to be negative x minus 5 equals negative 4. I move that, becomes plus 5. Negative x equals 1. So x equals negative 1 when I change the signs. Now I plug this one back in, remember, to my x's right there. And it's going to be y equals negative 2 times negative 1 minus 5. So that's y equals, negative 2 times negative 1 is positive 2 minus 5, which is negative 3. So my answer is negative 1, negative 3. Okay? Yes, this does get messy and it does get a lot of work. So now that I look at it, yeah, that's a lot of work. But we have to do it. We have to do it. So just keep doing this one. Now this one, the x is given. So it's the x that you substitute. Do you see that? So you're going to have to, instead of writing x right here, you're going to write this equation right there. So I'm going to highlight it. That right there. So I'm going to write, instead of x, I'm going to write 2y, oops, wrong color, plus 1 equals, totally wrong. Let me start all over. 2y plus 1, that's my x, that goes right here. Then I do minus 4y equals 24. I combine like terms. So that's negative 2y plus 1 equals 24. I move this to negative 1. And it's negative 2y equals 23. Change the signs, and that's y equals negative 23. 2y equals negative 23. And divide by 2. Y equals negative 23rd halves. Now remember, this is what you're going to plug in, but over here. And you can plug it back in like just as you see it. So you can do x. We don't. Oh, no, sorry. You do not plug. Ooh, that is so wrong. You do not plug it back in there. You plug it in right here. That y right there. Not this. It's this y right there. You plug it in right there. So you're gonna do x equals 2 times negative 23 over 2 plus 1. That's supposed to be a 3. So the 2's cancel out, and I'm left with negative 23 plus 1. And so x equals negative 22. And my solution is going to be negative 22 and negative 23 over 2. Okay? Last but not least, this one. Simple. This you plug in right there. So I would write let me fix this. I would write 5x, and instead of y I write plus 3x plus 6 equals 18. I combine these two and it's 8x, and I move this over here. Minus 6 equals 18 minus 6 is 12. Divided by 8, x equals 12 over 8 is 4. Is 3 halves, I'm sorry. Okay. Now this is, I substitute it right in here. I always substitute it on the one that's equal, that's in y equals or x equals. So then I do y equals 3 times 3 halves plus 6. And when you're dealing with fractions, just take a picture. Not take a picture. I'll take a picture. Just put it on the calculator as you see it. So I'll show you right now. I'm typing it in. 3 over 2. So let me pause this and pause. there's my picture, and as you can see, I get 21 over 2. So 21 over 2, and my x was 3/2. So that means that my solution is 3/2, 21 over 2. Okay? I know, a lot of work, but it needs to be done. So feel proud of yourselves for completing these sets of notes. It's a lot of work, but we did it. So good luck. Bye, guys. Text me if you need me. Remind 101.